Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. So actually XLOOKUP is very useful than VLOOKUP. So it has more advantages. So therefore learning XLOOKUP is very important. So today I am going to explain you the application of XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Okay, let's go to the video. Right, let's go to the video. Now I have a sample table. It contains 4 columns: employee ID, name, department and salary. So I'm going to show you how to find a record using XLOOKUP function. So XLOOKUP function is an advanced function than the VLOOKUP. So understanding or the application of XLOOKUP is very important for your day-to-day works. So here what I want to do is I want to get the salary of an employee according to or based on his or her employee ID. So here I expect to enter employee ID, then I want to get the relevant salary of the respective employee. So before go to the video, before typing the function, I want to explain the basic syntax of XLOOKUP function. So this is the syntax XLOOKUP. So here you need to enter search value, then the lookup range. So here my lookup range is employee ID and the result range is this one, salary. So that is the syntax. It's very easy to understand. Now I am going to type my function inside the C12 cell. So I am going to type it as like this: equal XLOOKUP, then open bracket, then I am going to enter the search value to C10 cell, therefore C10 comma, so then the lookup value is A2 to A5, right, now comma, now the result range is D2 to D5. Very easy. Now I am going to enter a default value 0, then close the bracket. And enter. Now I am going to enter an employee ID here. Just say EMP 102. Then enter. Yeah, I got the salary for employee 102, 950. Now I am going to enter EMP 104. Yeah, then the salary for the employee 104 is $1,350, right then. So just say 101. Yeah, the salary is $1,200. So likewise, you can easily find any value using XLOOKUP function. So it is fast and accurate. Okay. Try yourself and keep practicing. Then you can apply this function for your day-to-day works. So that's it for today. Let's meet with a new video like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you very much.